Hey, so if you haven't heard already, the flood insurance policies in Florida are going to be going up. Nationwide, there's going to be changes to them, but Florida specifically is going to see a rise in the flood insurance policies. And there's a way around this. If you have a customer who's trying to purchase a property, they're getting a new flood insurance policy and it's really high. Either it's messing up their debt to income ratio or they just don't want to pay the extra money for it. Many times you can go to the seller and their flood insurance policy will be significantly cheaper than what the new buyer's flood insurance policy will be. And the buyer can actually assume that seller's policy. Most flood insurance policy is assumable by the incoming buyer. So if you get the seller's flood insurance policy, you have the buyer apply through that insurance company to get to just assume the flood insurance policy that's already in place. You can end up with a lot cheaper flood insurance and definitely help out with their payment on the loan as well. So that was just a quick lender hack. If you guys have any questions about that, feel free to give me a call. Catch you later.